Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Oh shit. Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today we're about to be heading out to the Bay Area and we're about to be getting you guys an update on the Foxbody. A lot of you guys have been asking like, what happened to the Foxbody? Where'd it go? Did you sell it? Did you get rid of it? Did it break? Did it blow up? Like, what's the word on the Foxbody? So today, for the people that don't follow on IG and are kind of in tune with what's been going on with the Fox, today you guys are going to be getting an update on the Fox, and I'm going to be showing you where the Fox been and what's been going on with it. I'm about to make you win.
I don't want you to make me win.
Why? You want to lose?
I'm going to win or lose anyway.
Also, before I leave, man, I haven't started up the FD or the 350Z in a minute. Just take all the keys. Take all the keys for all the cars that are here, and let's just start things up. Make sure batteries aren't dead. Woo. The LSA 350Z. Man, it's so dope to be able to just see in here and just see that big ass throttle body, intake, all that. Everything just like fits so perfect. So I'm just gonna start this thing up because it literally hasn't been started up in a minute. I haven't drove it. Kind of just waiting until I can get this clutch replaced. So next time I drive this thing, I really want to have it A1. E85 cold start. Fuel pressure and everything still looks good. Start up the FD. Jeez. Thing loud. I really hope this thing starts up. Oh, I got a package over there. All right, come on, FD. Come on, baby. Oof. Come on, girl. Come on. Yeah. Come on, oil pressure. Go ahead and go up. There we go. Probably got spider webs and stuff in here. Why your items so low, girl? Get up there. I guess while I'm out here, I might as well start the C6 up. I mean the C5. Come on. Oh yeah, it's E85 cold start also. For those that may be new to the channel, yep, pretty much everything in this driveway is boosted. And even the cars that aren't here are boosted. This thing still needs a tune. Thing's like the fastest revving car I've ever owned. This thing's like whoa, whoa. I'm glad I got cool neighbors, man. My neighbors don't be tripping. Alright, put those back up. Only keys we need are the C6. Alright, so we're about to jump in the C6. And we're about to be off to Works Customs so they can realign my hood and bumper and everything. You guys remember when we were doing the supercharged setup for this, the bumper and everything was off. I'm gonna just have Jesse straighten this all back up at the body shop, get all my panels lined back up, and then we're gonna be off. Get y'all Foxbody update also. Whoops. Hey, your boy almost played himself. I forgot we're gonna need some of these. I'll probably take 2 of these buckets with me so we can get this thing on some E85. Yup. C6 is going E, baby. 10 gallons should be enough. Alright, so just getting here to our boys. What's up, Black?
What's up, guys?
What's cracking? Cool? Yep. You can see the alignment's all jacked.
How's it running?
It's running cool. I'm actually going to get it tuned today. Alright, so for the people that have been asking about the Foxbody has been here. You guys can see this thing has been getting body work and stuff done, all sanded down, just getting blessed. You can see the roof was all messed up, so he's repairing all that. Some spots got brought down to metal. This spot, remember back here, it was all dinged up. He's already fixed it, and you can look and see he's doing the exact same thing like he did with my 350Z, where he kind of makes the body lines pop a little more.
Oh yeah, this shit's gonna pop.
It's all sharp.
Oh man, this is gonna be wet. It's gonna be like the Z all the way from front to back.
I told him not to do that too. He was just like,
you can't bring me a car. You know what you're gonna get.
So yeah, man, this
Car's gotta be matching.
thing's gonna be clean.
That kind of definitely set this body off from the other ones. You know, it'll be sharper.
Oh yeah. Well, I mean, we already got the wheel fitment down, so we won't need to roll it.
Yeah.
So y'all can see this side over here. See how that arch looks? And then you come on this side.
Looks like you got a little wide body.
It's like smoother. You can hella see it. Oh, let me get out the light. That line is like boop boop. This right here was the problem area. This thing was boofed. He had this thing taken all the way down to metal, everything. This is all down to metal. So when this thing's done, it's gonna be pretty fire. We'll see how I like the sharpened lines. Kind of wanted to just bring it down and then sand it, but he wanted to do Jesse to it, so we'll see how it comes out. But for those that were saying, because remember I kept hinting to Calypso, but I'm not gonna do Calypso. But Calypso was original color for this car. You guys know that this was a CHP, so obviously these parts at first it was white, and then I think when they converted it from the CHP, they actually did the Calypso green on it. So yeah, originally it was white, then went Calypso, and then this over it. You can see right here, actually the white under it, then the Calypso on top, and then the last coat of primer that I had before I did the wrap. So yeah, hopefully it looks good though when it's all said and done. I'm still the only Foxbody that has this hood. So many people be hitting me up like, what is that hood? It's like, man, you gotta keep things a secret, man. The moment everybody finds out, all of a sudden all the Foxes are gonna have this. So what do y'all think about this? Let me get y'all opinions on how y'all feel about that sharpening up of the body lines. You can see the fronts are still stock, so it's kind of smoother, and then back here it actually looks more like an arch. Kind of wish I would have had them pull the fenders a little bit more and then re-arch it. That way I could, I mean, I still got room. So right now I got a 275 on there. I'm probably gonna up it up to a 285 or probably a 275 R888. The only thing I'm worried about is freaking braking transmissions. But I was going back and forth on if I wanted to install the body kit too, but I'm probably gonna leave the kit off of here for now and just keep this car like my OEM style body. You already see it has little splitters, and it has the OEM bumper with the Maker's Garage front lip. So I think I'm gonna keep this more of the original vibe. Diffuser there, so keep that and just call it a day. I know a lot of y'all like the body kit. I like the body kit, but I think I'm gonna keep this car like my only like stock body car next to the 370Z and Nita's 350Z. I think since everything's wide body, it wouldn't hurt to keep this a stock body and more original. And I feel like if I was to ever sell this car, I feel like I'd get the most bang for buck or the top dollar out of it being original. A lot of y'all already know that it's a 25th year anniversary. CHP, matching dog tags, everything are there. So you can see right here, dog tags with the VINs, everything's intact. So real CHP, not a clone. So I think this is gonna be my classic vibe that I'm gonna keep for this car. See if my engine bay all dirty. Yep, of course it is. Ooh, my boy Edgar gonna be mad. Edgar gonna be like, bro, what the fuck? For those that don't know, Edgar over at 650 is the one who built this car. Bro, is that a piece of rat dookie? Oh no. Oh no. We can't have that, yo. Fuck around and get it back with wiring issues. Yep, you can see little mouse footprints. Oh nah. We gotta tell Jesse to hurry up on this one. Alright, so now that my Foxbody lovers got they Foxbody update, next on the list is the real reason we're here. We're gonna be realigning some of these panels. You can see back here too, the wide body kit. It's a little tight. It's already been rubbing the wrap right here, so probably pull this out a little bit, get it opened up. That way it kind of closes a little easier. Then everything over here is good, other than a little front bumper realignment. And then this fender head came off, so kind of got a bigger gap on this side, so we're gonna get all this aligned back up, and then we should be Gucci. Damn! Look at Jesse being Jesse.
Not done yet. That's just the front.
I mean, it's not lifted right there no more.
It's not lifted. Now we even get.
Dude, that gap was like, it was all lifted over the headlight before. I think we've always had problems with this side too.
It's because of the way the headlight is. It's sitting on top of it. Probably gotta move the headlight over a little bit.
This is way better though.
Yeah, I gotta finish bolting this up, but it's there. It's there.
No longer looks like a drift car. Way better gaps, boy. That's why you my body guy. That's why you make the big bucks.
Something like that.
So Jesse's saying everything's all done now. Gap closed.
Look at that.
It's better than before.
A lot better. And then
I think it's even better than the first time we did it.
And then I gap the sides in too, so that way no more fucking gap.
On the hood.
Yeah. So I got everything as close as possible without fucking door smacking too, so.
Looks good.
Alright, what was next?
Just the trunk. Like the rear overs. Just space them out a little bit. See right here on the edges kind of touching. Alright y'all, so everything's all done on the C6. You guys got the Foxbody update. So I just filled up some E85 right now, and I'm about to wait a couple hours and just chill it out until it's dyno time. So this is gonna end this video, and the next one you guys are gonna be seeing is gonna be the C6 dyno. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully this is kind of like a little taste and a little filler for all my Foxbody people. So till next time, man.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on. I've been on the come up, you can go to speed, but it's better.